Hey everybody, welcome to lesson 66 of Connecting Math Concepts. Today we're going to have a repeat of yesterday. We're going to do fluency, angles, three-factor multiplication, and then a couple word problems. Hopefully you'll be able to fly right through it like the pros that I know you are. Hope everybody's doing okay. Let's go ahead and get started. First up is fluency. 6 times 8. 6 times 8. Pick your answer now. That's right, 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 7, 8 times 7. Pick your answer now. That's right, 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8, 8 times 8 is, that's right, it's 64. 64 divided by 8, pick your answer now. 64 divided by 8 equals, 64 divided by 8 equals 8. All right, angles. Angles, remember, angles are made up of two lines. Angles are measured in degrees, and angles are between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. And that symbol right there means degrees. Each fourth of a circle is 90 degrees. So let's get started with this one, right? This is a 90-degree angle. This is a 180-degree angle. This is a 270-degree angle, and then this one is a 360-degree angle. The other thing you need to know is you can sometimes guess an angle because you know what two numbers it's between. So for example, this is a 90-degree angle, and if you look, this is a 90-degree angle, right? 90 degrees. And if you look at this angle, you can tell that it is bigger or smaller. Is this angle bigger or smaller? This angle is smaller than 90 degrees, right? It's not as big. So if I were to give you three choices, right? 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, you wouldn't have to measure it exactly. You would know, well, it's not 0 degrees and it's not 90 degrees, so it is 45 degrees, all right? That's a little clue for going on. Let's keep going. Next one. All right, we have our 90, 180, 270, 360. Next up, what is this? What angle is this? Go ahead and pick your answer now. Take a look at how many circles it is. All right, it is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. What is this? How many degrees is this? Pick your answer now. That's right, it's 360 degrees, right? We talked about dunking and stuff like that. Next up, whoops. Next up, how many degrees is this? Count it up. How many degrees is this? Pick your answer now. That's right, it's 270 degrees. How many degrees is this? And it should look very familiar to you. Pick your answer now. That's right, it's 45 degrees. Next up, we have three-factor multiplication using fractions. Sometimes you need to multiply three fractions by each other, like 2/9 times 5/7 times 6 wholes. It's not hard, you just take it step by step. 2 times 5 times 6 equals 60. 9 times 7 times 1 equals 63. So 2 times 5 times 6 is 60. 9 times 7 times 1 is 63. So our answer is 60 over 63. Okay, first question, go ahead and find your answer now. Okay, let's do it together. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. So hopefully you got that answer, 36 over 42. Next up, 4/3 times 2/3 times 5/9. Pick your answer now. Let's do it together. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 4D. So we have 40. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So we have 40 over 81. Next one. 3/8 times 10 wholes times 2/5. Find your answer now. Let's do it together. 3 times 10 is 30, times 2 is 60. 8 times 1 is 8, times 5 is 40. And so our answer is 60 over 40. Next up. All right, now we're up to word problems. We have just 2 word problems, so let's go ahead and get started. There were 84 quarts of juice on a shelf. How many cups of juice were on the shelf? So there's some key things we need to remember. We have 84 quarts. And how many cups? Reminder, 1 quart equals 4 cups. Okay? Pretty straightforward. We gave you the family here, 4QC, right? And now you're going to cross off your Q and you're going to write 84. First up, if you're missing the big number, are you going to multiply or divide? Pick your answer now. That's right, you're going to multiply. So we have 84 times 4. Go ahead and do your answer now. That's right, it's 336. 4 times 4 is 16, carry our 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 makes it 33. 336. 336 what? 336 cups of juice. All right, we got one more problem. Here we go. 284 people were in a theater. The arena had 722 more people than the theater had. How many people were in the arena? We're going to break it up into parts for our questions. First off, is this an addition or a multiplication sentence? Pick your answer now. It is a addition, right? The key word here was more people, not times people, okay? Now, did we have more people in the theater or the arena? More people in the theater or the arena? Pick your answer now. We had more people in the arena, so that's our big number. Theater is our small number, and then our bigger than number goes right here, 722. All right. Which one of these can we cross off? Well, we had 284 people in a theater, so we're going to cross it off. And then are we going to add or subtract to find our arena number? We are going to pick your answer now. We are going to add, that's correct, and then go ahead and find your answer. Pick it now. All right, let's see if you were right. 722 plus 284. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 8 is 10. And another 10. 1,006 people. And if we were to put this into a sentence, it would say, there were 1,006 people in the arena. All right, hopefully you found this pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions, either in our classroom meetings or leaving something in the Google Stream. Thank you very much for participating. Hope you are doing well.